Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook zebra meat. First, understand that zebra is an exceptionally lean protein, often compared to venison, but with its own distinct character. Its low fat content means it cooks quickly and can dry out if not handled correctly. We will cover key techniques to keep it moist and tender, ensuring a delicious culinary experience. Getting this right is crucial for enjoying its rich, earthy flavors. Sourcing high-quality zebra meat is your first step for a successful dish. Look for reputable exotic meat suppliers who can certify their product's origin. Once you have your cut, thoroughly trim any silver skin or tough connective tissue, as this will not render down during cooking. For best results and added tenderness, consider marinating your zebra meat for at least 2 hours or even overnight, using an acid-based marinade. Different cuts of zebra meat benefit from distinct cooking approaches. For tender cuts, like loin or steak, quick searing over high heat is often best, ensuring a flavorful crust while keeping the interior medium rare. Tougher cuts, such as shoulder or shank, thrive with slow cooking methods like braising or stewing for several hours, transforming them into incredibly tender dishes. Grilling over medium heat with a good sear also brings out wonderful. To elevate your bayabas, consider adding a squeeze of fresh lime juice or a small pinch of ground cinnamon in the final 5 minutes of cooking. You could also introduce a few thin slices of fresh ginger for an aromatic warmth. If you prefer a thicker texture, gently mash some of the softened fruit with a fork right in the pan. This delicious cooked bayabas is perfect served warm over pancakes, oatmeal, or even with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream for a delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.